Si Sir Deo po mismo yung naghanap sa akin. Last year I was doing some projects abroad, tapos na tinalitaan ako na Sir Deo is looking for me and he has a project for me daw. So kunento niya sa akin yung story. Tapos sobrang ang ganda-ganda ng story, nakaka-inlove siya, na-inlove din ako. So I think sobrang it was a good opportunity for me, and especially sobrang blessed ko na first time ko magte-teleserye, tapos I get to work with a talented cast, a talented co-director, tsaka a primetime show.
For Paolo and EJ, kasi coming from a heavy drama and sexy show, and from Paolo having come from a very light and kilig show, how are you two now going to do an attack on the roles that you just announced? Considering this show is not too light, not too drama naman this time.
Major ba? Adjustment from passion to autual?
Well, ako, feeling ko, mag-a-adjust lang ako dahil mga bago yung mga kasama ko. Pero kasi nagawa ko na rin yung mga teleserye before, and marami na akong projects na nagawa na halos pare-parehas din naman yung may heavy, may light, may nasa gitna lang. So parang sa mga kasama ko, doon ako talaga nag-a-adjust. Kasi mga bagong mukha, mga bagong maging kaibigan mo, mga kasama sa set, everyday halos nagtitaping. And excited naman ako doon sa, siyempre may workshops kami, di ba? So ayun, sila direct, lagi naman kami halagaan, and lagi pong nakabantay sa amin yung creative manager namin. Yan po. Creative team. Yes, ayun po.
Paolo, what about?
Well, sa akin naman, I treat each character something different. I always find something new to give. And dito sa The Promise of Forever, actually, medyo binubuo ko pa yung character ko, but it will strongly depend on, syempre, sa narrative ng script namin, and kapag na-finalize na yung buong plot ng story.
Okay, thank you, Miss Alexa.